All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Randall Reed. I'm the owner of the Dent Specialist located here in Western Kentucky, or service all Western Kentucky. I'm actually located here in Draftonville. And what I do is called Paintless Dent Repair. I'm gonna flip this phone around and kind of show you what I do here in my shop. Hang on just a second. All right, we're all flipped around. What I have in my shop today is a Ford Edge. And what it has is a large dent right here in the cell panel on the rear quarter. Something went down at Walmart. I'm not sure exactly what happened on this, but this high up, but somebody damaged this car at Walmart. And we're gonna repair this without painting. This was a one-day process. It was dropped off at 8 o'clock this morning. I should have this thing done, but before the day is over. No repainting this car whatsoever. The factory paint will not be harmed, and this thing will be fixed 100% brand new. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 3 when I show an after. I might even go through some of the steps today on how we'd repair this. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, I'm having to do the after outside. It came out perfect though. All right, here we go. Dent's all done. All right, guys, thanks for watching.